Before that, I would like to honor our councillor, Ranjit. Please do the honoring.
Looks like very special. It is dhoti, I believe. So it is printed.
Good evening everyone. Actually, எனக்கு ரொம்ப ப்ளஷராகவும் இருக்கும், ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாகவும் இருக்கும். Happy to see everyone because the reason such a great occasion. I mean, honestly சொல்ல போனோம்னா I'm going to be completing a 3 years counselor next on March 3rd. இந்த occasionல 2 days before எனக்கு actually speaking about my இந்த இடத்துல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரஞ்சித் சார் தான் எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த இதை எனக்கு இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் ஆனாரு. After that, sir, introduction, he is one of my mentor. I can சொல்ல முடியும் because so many things last 3 years, so many things he supported me for a corporation. I'm telling you for that award. 2 times is given a CSR fund is given to me. That's very great to me. I want to congratulate. Everyone should congratulate Ranjit sir because he's doing so many wonders for me for a corporation and this. For a award, he did so many things. And second, I want to thanks to Subhashini madam. Almost 3 years. 3 years. Whenever any issue, Kadi sir, எங்க இருக்கீங்க, என்ன பண்றீங்க, எங்க இஷ்யூ எங்க காலையில மறந்துட்டீங்களா, என்ன எங்களெல்லாம் அதாவது honestly சொல்லணும். What I'm trying to say, whenever she lost, immediately, what best I can do, I'm doing here. One thing, I want to tell about Chandra madam also. Because last year I think so ma'am, Subhashini madam and Chandra madam இங்க இருக்கிற நம்மளுடைய my word I'm telling about out of 10 Anganwadi schools that pre-KG school I'm telling about that school madam given so many items given madam and Subhashini madam and as well as last year madam behalf of the Nawab Garden Association madam given a school fees alone she supported madam that's Subhashini madam and Chandra madam and all. In this occasion I want to tell you 3 things quickly. I mean my area, that's my 171 the Kotupuram area should be green and clean Kotupuram. That is my aim, that I need a support from you. And second, I want to be a CSR funding to develop so a better future for this area. Yeah, that's anyway, this is a metropolitan city, I know that. Still, உங்களுடைய சப்போர்ட் இருந்ததுன்னா I'm telling about இன்னொரு செகண்ட் ஒரு பெரிய அம்பிஷனே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா in my ward everyone should be a graduate. I'm telling about இங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 3 ஸ்லம் இருக்குங்க, பெரிய ஸ்லம் இருக்கு. That's you know about Kotupuram one of the biggest slum is around 2,500 families are there. அவங்களுக்குலாம் I need a support from you people because உங்களுக்குலாம் பெரிய இஷ்யூஸ்லாம் இங்கே இருக்காது. But your people are some small issues will be there. Everything will be a manageable issue. But you know, understand about the slum people. So many I'm telling about for education, for a health issue, for any issues. I need a support from you. For that, join hand. We should need a support from you. One more thing I want to tell clear. என்னுடைய ரொம்ப நாள் இது உங்களுடைய I'm telling you about நான் சார் கூட லாஸ்ட் I think I remember Subhashini madam I informed Subhashini madam also. I'm last 3 years and 3 elections I'm telling about, especially நம்மளுடைய இந்த நம்ம பூத்னு சொல்லுவோம் தெரியுங்களா, பூத் அந்த பூத்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we have been casting our vote is 35% தான் நம்ம போலிங் ஆகுது. I'm telling about almost out of இங்க நம்மளுடைய 170 வார்ட்ல I'm telling about the Kotupuram award 36 booth is there. In the especially this booth itself around 35 to 36% only polling is there. So I need your support. I'm telling about எனக்கு நீங்க ஓட்டு போடணும். I'm not telling about and I'm expecting almost 60 to 70%. I'm telling you, if you're casting your vote, you know today what happened. I'm telling you yesterday what happened in Delhi also. They changed the thing. Almost 27 years, the great victory. I'm not telling about. I'm talking about the BJPs. I'm not telling about. I'm sharing with you. So if you want the people, good people means you should suppose to vote. Okay. எனக்கு அது மாதிரி இங்க இருக்கிறவங்க நிறைய படிச்சவங்க நிறைய பேர் இருக்கீங்க, ஏன் ஓட்டு போட மாட்டீங்க? என்னுடைய ரொம்ப ஆதங்கமான விஷயம்.